Assalamualaikum everyone. This video is for primary 3 and in today's class we have done check your progress. That is on page number 24 of learner's book. The first question we have done is match the food group with the description. Over here as you can see that 5 food groups are mentioned and over here the descriptions are mentioned. So you have to see the food groups and according to the food groups you have to match it with the description. As number 1 we are having dairy. So as you all know that dairy helps us our bones to be strong and the teeth. So we will see the options over here. Yes, it's option number E and we will match 1 with E. Then carbohydrates. Carbohydrates gives our body energy, so we will match it option number B. Fruits and vegetable. As we all know that we should have fruits and vegetables because they are healthy thing and we should have in our diet. So option number the 3 will be matched with option number D. Keeps your body healthy. Fats and sugar. As we all know that it is the food group which we should have less in our diet, so it will be matched with do not eat too much of this option A. Then we are having last protein. As you all know when we intake protein, so it helps in our growth, so we will match it with option number C. Then we have done question number 2 in the notebook. Here is a healthy meal. Explain why it is healthy. As you can see the diagram over here, we are having pasta with tomato sauce, over here orange and water. So the complete meal we know it's healthy because pasta is from the food group of carbohydrates, tomato sauce is from vegetable, orange is from fruit and water is a healthy drink as we all know. So the students may write this in their notebook and then they can classify pasta like it belongs to carbohydrates, orange, fruit group and water is a healthy drink. And then we have done question number 3, which sandwich is more healthy and why. We are having 2 sandwiches over here. In A we are having vegetable like tomato and salad leaf, and in B we are having junk food sandwich. So the correct answer is option number A. Why? Because it contains vegetable. This all was there in today's class. Jazakallah khair.